Hello students, good morning. How are you all? Welcome back to VIII online educational platform. This is Lakshmi from VIII, your math tutor. So VIII, as you all know, VIII is an online educational platform where we provide right to quality education for all the students in free. You also know that in our YouTube channel, we have started live sessions, live classes from class 1 till class 10. You can watch us there. Those who have not yet subscribed our channel and watching us right now, subscribe it. With that, do not forget to press the bell icon to get further notification. With that, let me start our session. In the previous classes, what we have done, we have completed the first and second chapter from NCERT, that is CBSE syllabus. The first chapter is rational numbers and the second chapter is linear equation in one variable. So, today we'll be starting the third chapter. And the chapter name is Understanding Quadrilaterals. We'll start our third chapter, Understanding Quadrilaterals. But, what is our motto? Our motto is always be learning. We have to learn with that, especially for mathematics. As I said, we have to practice. If we practice every day, math will become easy and also interesting. Where no one will say that we don't like math, right? So today we'll be starting the third chapter, but where? We'll be starting our class in our math classroom. So you just have to wait for 2 to 3 more seconds. I'll be right back in the math classroom. Hello students, today we'll be starting the new chapter, chapter 3, Understanding Quadrilaterals. Okay, what are we going to study in this? First, let us brush up the few topics. We know what are plane surface and plane curve. We'll brush up again. What are plane surface? A plane surface is a flat surface which is of two-dimensional figure and it will be expanded in all the directions. So what are plane curves now? Plane curve is a figure or a smooth line which can be drawn on a plane surface and it will be having turns or a bend. So in this plane curve, we have different varieties. What are the varieties? Simple, closed curve, not simple closed curve, closed curve, that is not simple, and simple curve, that is not closed. So here, these are the 4 different varieties of the curve. So now, what are polygons? Polygons are a simple closed curve which is made up of only the line segments. We have to mention that only the line segments. Okay. So in this polygons, we have classification which is based on the number of sides. So if the sides are 3, it is triangle. 4, the number of sides are 4, it is quadrilateral. 5, it will be pentagon. 6, it will be hexagon. 7, it will be heptagon. 8, octagon. 9, nonagon. 10, decagon. It goes on like this. If the number of sides are n, then it will be n-gon. So this is how we'll be writing. Next, the main important topic is diagonals. What are diagonals? So, diagonals are a line segment. A line segment which are connected from two non-consecutive vertices of a polygon. So, let me take an example so that you will understand this. So, if this is a polygon which is having 4 sides, so it is a quadrilateral. This will be connected, means two non-consecutive vertices will be connected from a line segment, that is, let me take this. These 2 points are non-consecutive points. These 2 points are non-consecutive points, and the line segment which is drawn, which is connected from one vertices to another non-consecutive vertices, is known as diagonal. So here I can mention one more diagonal. So these two will be another pair of non-consecutive vertices of a polygon. This is how the definition of diagonal goes. And then this is how we'll be mentioning the diagonals. Now we'll move to the next topic, that is what? Convex polygon and concave polygon. So what is this convex polygon, concave polygon? Convex polygon, here all the interior angles will be less than 180 degree. All the interior angles will be less than 180 degree of a polygon is known as convex polygon, and at least one angle, one interior angle is more than 180 degree is called concave polygon. So these are the types of polygons where we have one more type, that is regular polygon and irregular polygon. So what is this regular polygon and irregular polygon? Regular polygon, where the polygon is having all the sides and angles will be equal. Where all the sides and angles will be equal in a polygon, then those polygons are called regular polygon. If in a polygon all the sides and angles are not equal, then those type of polygons are called irregular polygon. So these all are the main topics which we are going to learn in the starting of the chapter 3, understanding quadrilaterals. Next, what we have to do, we'll take a few examples, that is exercise problems, to solve it. Now I'll start few exercise problems where that will become easy for you to solve, right? So now I'll just clean this up. I'll be back. Wait a second, so that I'll be back with the problems. So now we'll be solving one problem where I have chosen this problem from exercise number 3.1, and the question here is the second one. So we have to find how many diagonals does each of the following have. So the following questions are: first one, convex quadrilateral second one, regular hexagon, and the third one is triangle. Okay. So now what we have to find? We have to find the number of diagonals in each of the following figure. Here they have just given the question, but what we have to do? We have to draw the figure and then find out the diagonals. So convex quadrilateral. Quadrilateral means it will be having 4 sides. So convex quadrilateral means what? Convex polygon. Just now we remembered. What is it? A polygon where all the interior angles will be less than 180 degree. So let me take so this is a quadrilateral which I have taken. Number of diagonals we have to find. So what are diagonals? Diagonals are the line segments which will be connected from and to two non-consecutive vertices of a polygon. So here these two are the two consecutive vertices. So 1, 2. So the number of diagonals are how many diagonals? 1, 2. 2. Here comes the second question. Here the question says regular hexagon. Hexagon means how many sides it will be having? A polygon which will be having 6 sides. That is correct. So here, but regular hexagon means all the sides and all the angles will be equal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hexagon, 6 sides. 6 sides. So now it is quite interesting. What you have to do, you just observe here. How many diagonals we can form? So from here, I can form a diagonal to this point. 1, 2, 3. But when you are drawing, you should use your ruler. Now, we'll go to the next point. From here, 1, 2, 3. 3, 3. And now from here, again from here, 1 is already drawn. The second one. Correct? Next, here one it is drawn, second one is drawn and third one. Okay, so how many diagonals? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. One more we have missed. Where is that? Just think about it. So the number of diagonals here we got is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and one more. 2 non-consecutive vertices of this polygon here is. So how many diagonals? We have to see how many diagonals we can write in the any polygon they have given. Okay. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So number of diagonals are 9. Next figure. Next figure is triangle. So triangle means how many sides it will be having? 3 sides. 1, 2, 3. So in this, where can we draw a diagonal? What is the diagonal? Diagonal is a line segment which will be connected between two non-consecutive vertices of a polygon. But here, can we find any two non-consecutive vertices? No. Therefore, number of diagonals are 0. So, in triangle, we cannot draw any diagonal. So, this is how we'll be solving the questions in the exercise. So, next is sum, angle sum property of a triangle. So, what is this angle sum property of a triangle? Let me explain it here itself. So, when a triangle is given, all the interior angles, when we take the sum of interior angles of a triangle, which will be equal to 180 degree. So, this is the angle sum property of the triangles. So, next is exercise problems I'll be taking up to show the sum properties of not only triangle, even for other quadrilaterals also, how to find the remaining angles. Just now we discussed about angle sum property of a triangle. That is sum of all interior angles of a triangle will be equal to 180 degree. Likewise, sum of all interior angles of a quadrilateral will be equal to 360 degree. And let me write here, sum of all interior angles of a pentagon means the polygon which is having 5 sides will be equal to 540 degree. Okay. So now we understood sum of the. So now we got the interior angles, means after taking sum of interior angles of triangle, quadrilateral and pentagon. How much? For triangle it is 180 degree, for quadrilateral it will be 360 degree and for pentagon it will be 540 degree. Why am I telling this? Because now I am taking an example how to solve it. Means I will be taking a problems from exercise itself. So here what we have to do? We have to find the angle of
x means measure the value of x in the following figure. Okay. So here I will be taking the B figure in the question, where the figure here shows that this will be the figure and here is x degree which we have to find out. This will be 70 degree and this will be 60 degree. So now how to find out the value of x? Here what we have to remember? We have to remember sum of all interior angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degree, right? So here 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sides means quadrilateral, but here one more angle is missing. They have not given this angle. How much will be the value? It is so simple. When you see the exterior angle of this angle which is missing, it is given like this. This means what? It shows 90 degree. Correct? It shows 90 degree. So in a linear line, when there is a bisector, the sum of these two angles will be equal to 180 degree. Correct? So here, for this, to find out this, let me take this as A angle. To find A degree, we'll be taking an equation that is 90 degree plus A degree will be giving us 180 degree. Why? Because linear angle we can write. That is, in a straight line, in a linear line, the angle will be, means the sum of two angles will be equal to 180 degree. So now, A degree is equal to 180 degree, 90 will be shifting to other side. So positive plus 90 will become minus 90. So A degree will be equal to 180 minus 90, 90. So this is equal to 90 degree again. Now we got three angles. We have to find out only the fourth angle. So from the angle sum property of a quadrilateral, we can see that 90 degree plus 60 degree plus 70 degree plus x degree will be equal to how much? 360 degree. Right? So now 90 plus 60, 15, 15 plus 7, 22. So 90 plus 60, 150. 150 plus 70 will be 220. 220 degree plus x degree will be equal to 360 degree. So now to find the x value, I'll be shifting 220 to the other side. 360 degree minus 220 degree. So the x degree value will be equal to 0, 6 minus 2, 4, 3 minus 2, 1. So the value of x will be how much? 140 degree. So this value is 140 degree. You can cross verify by substituting the value of x and add it, you will be getting 360. So this is how we'll be solving the problem. So let me solve another two problems. By this, we'll be completing today's session. So the next question is C. And the question is like this. Just check out in your textbook. Here it says that this will be 30 degree and here they have given x and x. Here the mark what they have given, it shows that these two angles are same, means equal. So here exterior angles they have given 70 degree and 60 degree. What we have to find? We have to find the value of x. How to find that? First, how many sides are there? 5 sides. So, sum of all interior angles of pentagon will be equal to 540 degree. Correct? Now what happens? First, we have to find out the remaining two angles which they have not given. In the linear angle, means linear pair of angles, means it will be equal to 180 degree. So, let me take this as A, let me take this as B. So, A degree plus 70 degree will be equal to 180 degree. Another one, B degree plus 60 degree will be equal to 180 degree. Next, A degree will be equal to, we will be shifting 70 to other side, 180 degree minus 70 degree. So, A degree will be equal to 110. Here, the same thing, B degree will be equal to 180 minus 60 degree. Why minus 60 degree? We are shifting from one side to other side. The positive 60 will become negative 60. So, B degree value will be equal to 120 degree. Now, we got the values of A and B. A is 110 degree and B is 120 degree. As I said previously, the sum of all interior angles of a pentagon will be equal to 540 degree. So, now we will take 110 degree plus 120 degree plus x degree plus 30 degree plus again x degree will be equal to 540 degree. Correct? What is the reason? Angle sum property of pentagon. Correct? So, in this geometrical part, whatever you will be writing, you have to give reason. Then only it will be completed. So, now x and x is there. So, like terms, we will add it first. It will become 2x degree plus 110 plus 120 is how much? It is 230. 230 plus 30 is 260 is equal to 540. Correct? So, now 2x degree will be equal to 540 degree plus 260. When we are shifting to other side, it will become minus 260 degree. Correct? So, now 2x degree will be equal to 540 degree minus 260 degree. We will be getting answer as 280 degree. Next, we have to find the value of x. So, x degree will be equal to 280 degree divided by 2. Why I have divided by 2 here? Because the multiplication 2 will become division when we are shifting from one side to other side. So, the value of x will be equal to 140 degree. 2 ones are 2, 140s are. Correct? It will be cancelling off. So, x value is 140 degree. So, x value is 140 degree. This is how we will be solving for the given following figures. So, next question is there. What is that next question? The question here is D part. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And they have given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. with that one angle x degree. Here we have to find the angle of x, but they have not mentioned any other angle, but they have mentioned the symbol, which means all the sides are equal. If all the sides are equal, then all the angles will be equal. So this is regular pentagon. What happens? As we all know that sum of all interior angles of a pentagon is equal to 540 degree. So phi x degree. Why am I taking phi x? Again here same angles will be equal. So it will become x degree, x degree, x degree and x degree. So how many x are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5x I have taken it directly, which is equal to 540 degree. Correct? So x value will be equal to 540 degree divided by 5, which means x value is 108. So each and every angle means each and every x value will be equal to 108. This is how we'll be solving the given questions. So in the next class, we'll see what to do when we have to find the exterior angle, and also different kinds of quadrilaterals we'll be discussing. Until then, stay connected with Vistaslearning by subscribing our channel if you have not yet subscribed, and also give thumbs up if you like our channel. With that, what else you have to do? You have to share our videos with your friends and family so that even they will also learn, they will also enjoy our session. Right? So we'll be meeting in our live stream.